Howdy folks, welcome back to Shallow Pockets Acres. We got this woodpecker nest here in that hole in the backyard here. I think they're yellow-bellied sapsuckers. The one ought to be going back in here soon. It just come out to scare off a blackbird, but it's going back in. And we're going to try to keep an eye on it here. See if we can catch whenever the chicks come out. We got a few other. Got one neighbor here that's got a bird feeder out and has all kinds of birds coming around. And we'll get some pictures of them if I can here, or video of them. There's a Baltimore Oriole that's hanging around. I want to see if I can't get it on camera here. And we'll get some other ones too. There's this other in charge of the nest now, having a peek out, looking around. And you're going to have vehicle noises and mowers running in the background of this video, because I'm taking it off my back porch sitting in the middle of town, so excuse the background noises. I got some English sparrows there feeding on the ground below the feeder, and chipmunk running around in amongst them. Also got a couple squirrels here feeding underneath the feeder too. Looks like a mourning dove come in to get something to eat.